Hi, this is Aiden, and I will be going over my assignment for the LIRI app. The code can be found at my GitHub, Aiden Clementi at github.io, the repository LIRI. We will just start with the commands. One of the commands is movie this. If you hit enter and not put in any movie title, the default is Mr. Nobody. If you want to put in a movie title, it goes after your command, brings back one search result. This gets logged into log.txt. It says entry log start, when it was processed. Here is the command that was put in and the output. Here you'll see that there was a movie that was put into this. Then we have our my tweets. This you see that just showed the processed at because I requested it. Here are my tweets that logged out. Here on the console, my latest 20 tweets from my Twitter account. The next is Spotify this song. If you don't put anything in, just Spotify this song. It will default to Ace of Base, the sign, give you that search result. Right here in some instructions, I wanted the user to be able to request more than one search result return. So I said if you wanted more than one, you just add the number in between the command and the song title you wanted, and gave them an example of what you would put into the line there. So for instance, if I wanted to do 15 results, say I want a specific version of the song Waste come back, or I wanted to see how many different songs are titled Waste. Here you'll see 15 came back. There's the song titles up at the top. You'll see there's song titles with waste in it. Some have waste with just a part of the song title. Then we have our do what it says command. Do what it says goes to the random text file. It reads this information. There's the command Spotify this song. I want it that way. Returns the Backstreet Boys. If we wanted to change this to movie this and Batman, just run it again. You'll see that it will do whatever command is in that file. Let's say somebody mistyped and it says do what it says. Well, LIRI will say, I'm sorry, do what it says is not a command that I recognize. Please try one of the following, and gives an example of what they need to type to make LIRI work. That is my LIRI app. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.